Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord oil. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, 5 quarts of the correct motor oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. You'll also need an oil filter wrench and a funnel. Safely lift the front of your car using a jack and place jack stands under the frame for security. This ensures a stable and safe working environment before you begin. Now let's get that old oil out. Slide your drain pan under the car, directly beneath the oil pan. You'll find the drain plug there. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to start flowing immediately. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out of your engine. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then replace the drain plug securely. Finally, use a funnel to pour 5 quarts of new motor oil into the engine's fill port. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for a minute or two, then shut it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Now, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and check your oil level to ensure it's within the proper range. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Finally, take your used oil to an approved recycling center for proper disposal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.